It's not meta, it's your fault, it's your creative. What you need to do right now would be to open your Facebook ads account and change all of your creatives, right? You need to do it immediately because the creatives that you had before, a month ago, a few weeks ago, the creatives that were working and you are getting a very decent conversions, those creatives don't work anymore. And it's not meta, it's you. This is something that I heard on Reddit, and I truly believe there is some truth to that, but I also think meta is going crazy. When I open my Facebook feed and when I start scrolling, I see ads from businesses that are completely not relevant to me. I see ads for detergents, I see ads for dog training, I see ads for kid clothing, and I'm not interested in those things. I think the meta algorithms are going crazy because no matter what I do, whenever I open my Facebook feed on my phone, even on my desktop, I see the same thing all over and over again. Every second post is an ad. Open your Facebook feed right now and start scrolling and see how many of the posts you're gonna see are ads. It's mostly ads. And before, in the good old days, maybe every seventh post was an ad. What's happening right now? People are opening their Facebook feed and they're overwhelmed with ads. They see ads all over the place, so they got confused and they're not buying anything because it's just like too much ads. I saw an article on the internet and some guy said that when he opens his Facebook, all he sees is ads. And it's gonna be very difficult to sell something whenever you go to a place where everybody is trying to sell, everybody is trying to get your money away. And this is how people feel. People feel resistant to sales, and this is why our ads are not working very, very good. There are a lot of theories of why Facebook ads stopped working all of a sudden. One of the reasons I heard is because of the cookie consent V2 by Google. So Google is trying to implement a new regulation, something similar to the GDPR, something that has to do with gathering people data and how cookie works. I don't think that's the real reason. I heard another theory why Facebook ads stopped working. So there was a guy who said that basically people are not buying anymore because they spent all their money in February, they spent all their money in January, so March is kind of dry. But what I think is just the Facebook ads algorithm is not targeting properly. The ads are off, and no matter what you do, people won't buy the products because they're overwhelmed with advertising. So what can you do? What are the obvious solutions you have? Because you don't have many options. Of course, you can go and change your creative. Of course, you can go and target new audience. Of course, you can improve the offer. But when it's meta fault, those changes won't do anything good, right? You're just gonna be stuck at the same place. And also something very interesting I noticed that the ads, the creatives that had text on them were performing much worse. The CPM for these ads was much higher. So what I need to do, maybe I need to run very simple creative. I need to run very simple social media videos. And if I think about it, it's like really hard to stand out in this clickbait, in these reels and these TikToks because people are trying anything to get the attention today. I've seen people on the internet doing crazy stuff. People are jumping off bridges, people are setting their cars on fire, and it's very hard to create a decent ad that works these days. So if you're a Facebook marketer, if you're an agency owner, if you have a business that fully relies on Meta, you know how I feel. You know how I feel. And in some days, the most reasonable thing you could do, the most perfect solution to all of your Meta problems would be to lower your budgets, drink a glass of water and call it a day. And maybe go fishing, maybe go to the gym or do something with your life that is better. Maybe it's time to relax. Maybe it's time to do something else in this business. Maybe it's time to discover a new streams of traffic for your business. This could be email, this could be Google ads, this could be YouTube ads. So how do I feel? Do I think this will go forever? Do I think Meta ads will suck forever? I personally think that Mark Zuckerberg is a very smart guy and he'll find a way to fix our ads. He'll find a way to fix our performance. But what we need to do, we need to be patient and we need to think about plan B. And for me, plan B, when I got restricted from advertising 2 years ago, was to go on Google Ads. And Google Ads work well for some of my clients. For some of my clients, Google Ads didn't work that well. But there is a small percentage that Google Ads or YouTube Ads will work good for you. And to pitch you something, to sell some of my services, because you're watching this video so far, maybe go click in the link in the description below and book a discovery call for my Google Ads services, right? This could be the only reasonable solution you have right now. I'm telling you. I hope Mark Zuckerberg fixes Meta. Now go in the links below and buy all my courses and buy all my services. Spend all of your money. Thank you for watching. My name is Niko.